What's up, what's up, what's up? It's your girl Rissa. Welcome to my channel. So I have leftover spaghetti. Y'all know I put some cheese on it. Because I like spaghetti with cheese. Not a lot of cheese, just, for flavor and taste. How's everybody doing today? So I was supposed to do my 1K celebration, but by the time you see this, that'll be long gone, child. So let me not even talk about it, okay? Yeah, because this will be a couple of weeks probably down the line video. I have so many videos to put out before this one. Anyways, how's everybody doing? Thank you for all the love and support, y'all. We've been doing very, very good. And I'm very proud of my channel. I'm very proud of all the people that's been rocking with me. I'm very proud of, the mukbang community trying to come together. It's drama. But, it's drama everywhere. So, just keep your head up. Keep doing what you doing. And don't try not to, because it's hard. It's easier said than done. Don't worry about the drama. Don't worry about the drama. It's easier said than done to do that, especially if you're put into the drama. So, do your best to just do what you do. And try not to worry about what other people have going on with the drama. And I know, it's hard sometimes, especially if people drag you into it. It's crazy, y'all. But, I've been looking at a lot of the drama, but I don't know. I'm just, I'm trying to keep my head above water. Keep my channel doing good. Okay, y'all. Okay, so I mixed it up. I was just trying to make sure all my cheese was in my spaghetti. So let's say our grace. Amen. Yes. Night clothes. Yes. So what? Don't come for me. I did not feel like really getting dressed today. I did not feel like, because I wasn't going anywhere, wasn't doing anything. So, child, please, Mm-mm. Mm. I'm trifling, y'all. I'm so trifling. I didn't even get y'all none. I'm sorry, y'all. I haven't eaten all day. I have not eaten all day, but that's not an excuse. I apologize. Here y'all go. It's good. I know it. Wow. Mm-mm-mm. So I made some Pillsbury biscuit. Last time when I had my spaghetti, I didn't have any bread. I don't really like biscuits with spaghetti. I mean, I can't say I don't like it. I would prefer. That's what I should say. I prefer garlic bread, but like I said, I didn't feel like going anywhere today. Today was my lazy day. Welcome in to all of the family members. Welcome, welcome, welcome. You are loved here. You are wanted here. You appreciated here. If you have anything you want to talk about, leave it in my comment section. Instagram me if it's private. I return I return all you know, texts, conversations, comments. I really do. I return everything. Run the red sauce, y'all, came into my life for my 1K celebration. I was so happy. I was so elated. You know what? Actually, there was so many channels in there. I can't even think about everybody that was there. Mukbang things, Keto Girl, Vicky's World, oh, the Smith Bunch, SJSMR, I see it was Tori Loves Food. It was Frank's TV, Frank GTV. It was, oh my God, it was a slew of people. Bastro Boys, Marco's Eats, Missing Two. We was in there playing games. Who else? Did T-Talk come in there? I think so. But it was so many people, y'all. It was so many people. If I miss your names, you know what? Hey, what I call her? Because I can't say her first name. What's her name? I'm gonna think about it. Y'all. I'm gonna think about it. Don't worry about it. Did I say Teresa plus 5? I mean, there was so many people in there. Candrill. A Candy Lady. Who else? There was so many people. It was a 3-hour live. It would have been longer, but my phone charges sometimes it don't be working. You know, when I be on live, I always just have it plugged in, but it kept beeping saying that it was finna go dead, and I ain't wanting to go dead in people's face. So, Adrian. He a new YouTube channel. Y'all need to go check him out. He does a lot of cooking his food. Right there. Oh my God. Don't forget about Ginger Snap 44. Hey. Ginger Snap sent me a Cash App to congratulate me on my 1K. Oh my God. So nice. Ginger Snap, thank you so much, sister. I love you so much. I appreciate you, and my 1K dinner will be dedicated to her because she sent me, the money. Scent and Mo. Simply K. Someone. She came. I'm trying to remember everybody, y'all. I don't want to leave people out. B&B reviewed it. They came. Texas Made Foods. There was a lot of people that came, y'all. It was so touching. the previous day, more eats. Boom, boom, boom. She came by. Yeah. It was so many people in there, y'all. So many. And I'm trying to think about the one that I'm trying to think about. I can't think of her name. Is it Love? Do I call her Love? Rashika? I never can say her first name. Rashik. I think I call her Love. I'm like almost 100% sure that's what I call her. But you know who you are. She came in, was like I said, she be in a lot of my lives. I'm so grateful, so thankful, you know, for all that love and all that support. If I didn't call your name out, I apologize. It was just so many people in there, so many. Whew. So many. Carlos eats. So, I almost forgot about your boo. I'm sorry. I apologize. But I didn't forget. So, she the one, she drove me home. Yeah, she did. She stayed in her live. She didn't leave until I got that 1K, y'all. Which I thought was very, 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 very nice and very commendable. But Lisa is a very, loving person. Loyal. So, Vern's junk closet. She was in there. All these channels that I called out and more. Like I know I missed about I think I know I have missed like at least like 30 or 40 channels. Because off the top of my head, like I can't think of all those names. I can't think of all those names, y'all. I'm so sorry. But everybody that was in my life, everybody that's been rocking with me, everybody that has been a part of my journey, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Like I was so, oh my God, y'all, I was on cloud like 1,000 yesterday. 1,000, but I probably was past 1,000, on cloud. I was on cloud 9. I was so freaking happy. I was jumping up and down. Like I called half of my family and text the other half, child. And my 1K dinner is coming tomorrow, y'all. It's coming tomorrow. I mean, I want it to be bigger, but I'm on a income restriction. I'm gonna say that, child. So I'm just going to, oh, and I am going to be doing a giveaway, guys. I am going to be doing a giveaway. Yes, I am. And the giveaway is basically going to be consistent on how well do you know me? That's what my giveaway is going to be on. Oh, Cliff Lee TV came in. Love him, love him, love him. The portal. It was so many channels. God, it was so many channels that came. It was so many channels. And I know I'm missing a lot of people, like I said, and I truly am apologizing for that, because I know that, you know, you could have been anywhere else. You didn't have to be in my life. You didn't have to rock with me. And I'm so appreciative, you know. So don't think because I didn't say your name, because I don't care. God knows that's not the truth. I love each and every one of y'all that helped me, that still rocking with me, that still, you know, show me stuff that I don't know. And it's a lot of people that does that. Lovely V, she wasn't there, but you know, she gave me a thing on Instagram. It's a Sniper Put It Back. She was there. Y'all need to go check out her video. She ate a rattlesnake. Thank God she said she didn't call me out on it, but she might have called some of y'all out on it. So y'all might want to get over there and check that video out. Because Rissa ain't eating no rattlesnakes. I ain't eating no snakes. I'm sorry. I don't even do snakes. I won't even bring a snake in this house. No ma'am. No sir. It ain't gonna happen. Nah. Not in this life. Now I've been thinking about some other stuff. Like some gators and stuff. But as far as a snake, not going to happen. Now, with that being said, be true to who you are. No one is perfect. Be yourself. Don't change because somebody don't like you. Love yourself. Change only if you want to. Positive people, positive vibes, positive serenity. Be a leader, not a follower. What else I say? Stay prayed up. Stay prayed up. Keep God first. Keep God on your side. Everybody else, child, listen, let me tell you something. People come and people go. Friends, you think people are your friends? Some of them are. And some of them are not. So you have to know who you rocking with. You have to know who is your loyal, true people. You know, you have an intuition. Use it. I love y'all. And I'm going to see y'all on the next one. Peace. I love y'all. Peace.